Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are fine by the grace of God. Now I am talking about our new online assembly and how to attend it. There are two types of language in assembly commands. First one is in English, second one is in Hindi. Why we are conducting this online assembly? Just you will feel same like school campus. The commands are this command in English. Assembly attention. Standard is attention. Salute to the friend. Hands down. The prayer begin. Standard is attention. The national anthem begin. Assembly dispersed. Jai Hind. This command in Hindi. सबा सावधान. विश्रा सावधान. सामने सल्यूट करेगा. सल्यूट. हाथ नीचे. प्रार्थना शुरू कर. विश्राम. सावधान. राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर. सभा छूट कर. जय हिंद. Hope you all understood the command very well. See you soon. Jai Hind, Jai St.Therese.